Good day guys, welcome to this tutorial video. In my previous video I explained to us how we can buy our domain name and hosting. So in this video I will be explaining how we can install WordPress on our cPanel and to also install our themes and plugins. So what is a cPanel? A cPanel is a user-friendly web interface that lets us manage our website features. It is also known as the backend of all websites. And how do we log into our cPanel? As I said earlier in my last video, that all vital information are being sent to our email. So the mail you use to register the domain name and hosting, just go there, you see your login details. So now I have my login details. Let me just register. This is the format that you will use to log in on the cPanel. Just type in your domain name. Let me type in my domain name /cPanel. This is how you will log into your cPanel. Domain name /cPanel. It's loading. Let's just hold on for it. Can you see? I have my login details here already. You just have to go to your mail, you see yours there. So let me just log in. So here we are. This is the dashboard of your cPanel. This is how it looks like. Can you see? Can you see? So here we have a lot of features there, but the one we'll be treating is just little because we don't have to go through it all. It's just the main ones that we need for this tutorial. Can you see? This is how it looks like. So this is email account. You have to create an email account for this your website. So just click on email account. Can you see? I already have some email accounts that I have created before, because this hosting that I'm using comes with two websites. So I already have domain what is it called? I already have my email registered. So let me just teach us how we can create a new email account. So click on create. Can you see? Can you see? This is an email account for the website that I have created on this platform. Can you see? So we just have to select. So I want to create a mail account for this whereisthemoney.com.ng. Let me just select it. So let me select it. So put in your username here. So our username will be in format of support or info. Okay, let me select the domain name again. Then put your username. Let me just put support. So it's either you use support or you use info. Anyone you like, you can use it. Can you see? Set a new password. Let me just put my password there. Please, you have to create a strong password. You have to create a strong password. Can you see? My password is strong. So click on create. Can you see? You created support at whereisthemoney.com.ng. Can you see that our mail have been successfully created? Can you see? Can you see it's down here? So let's go. I'm going to teach you how you can connect your email with your custom email. The mail that we just created now is your custom mail. So let me just teach you how you can link your already existing Gmail, that is the one you use normally on your online stuff. So let me just teach you how you can connect it with your custom email, so that whenever they send message on your website, you also receive it on your normal email account. So click on email account, click on forwarder. Can you see forwarders? Just click on it once. Good. Let's select our domain name that we want to add forwarder to. Click on add forwarder. So here we just put support here, since we use support while creating our mail there. So just put support. This is the domain name that we want to add our email forwarder to. Just select it, then type in your normal Gmail account. Can you see I've added mine? Can you see? Just click on add forwarder. Click on add forwarder. Can you see all emails sent to support@whereisthemoney.com.ng will now be copied to opeyemi@27@gmail.com. So here all the messages sent to your mail, to your website mail, will be forwarded to your normal email account. So you don't have to stress yourself or going to all this stress coming to your cPanel to check your messages. It will be forwarded directly to your Gmail since we've added it. So let's go back to install our WordPress. Let's try and install our WordPress. Let's go back. Let's go back. Now before we proceed to our WordPress, so before we move to WordPress area, let me just explain to us about file manager. What is your file manager? A file manager is where all your files are being kept for future reference. All your backend websites, all your files like images, logos, pages and all that, they are being stored on your file manager, and being stored under php_admin. That is, all your files are being stored there. But here I'm using a root domain on one hosting, so our files will be on the name of the website. See, can you see? All our files will be here. .com.ng rather, sorry. Can you see? After installing our WordPress, you will see all our files that will be listed here. So let's go back. We've talked about our file manager, so let's proceed to install our WordPress. Can you see this security area is for your site to be secured? As you can see it here, it is keyed, that is, it is secured. So if you buy your domain name and hosting from afishost.com, you have a free CSL for a year. So that means your website is being protected. So let's go to software. So this is where we install our WordPress. Can you see? WordPress manager by Softaculous. Go to this place. So just click on Softaculous app installer once. WordPress is a content management system that is used to design a website. We have a lot of CMS, as you can see. We have a lot of CMS, but the most used one is WordPress. Look at it here. The most used one is WordPress. So let's just click on install. We click on install. We want to install a WordPress to that our site. So let it be in form of HTTPS. That S means it is secured. So let's select our domain name that we want to use, that we want to install our WordPress on. This directly, you don't have to put anything there. So let's choose the version you want to install. We have to choose the latest version. Presently the latest version here is 6.1.1. Can you see I've selected it? So scroll down. These are site settings, we don't need it now, we'll do it later. Because there are things that we'll still do on the website later. It's just to install our WordPress there. So this admin account, you have to create a password for it, please, and let it be a very strong password so that you'll be able to remember and it will be secured enough. Let me just put my password there. So let me just put my password there. Can you see? It is 91% strong. Can you see? So the admin mail, just put some support here. Since you created support the other time, just put support here. So that is all. So scroll down here, you see install. Just click on install once and it will start installing. So it is very simple. It's just that you have to follow the step by step that I've explained in this video to install your WordPress. Wow, can you see our WordPress is being installed? Can you see WordPress has been successfully installed at https://whereisthemoney.com.ng. Can you see? This is the address to log in to our WordPress dashboard. This is the format to log in. Can you see your domain name /wp-admin? Look at it here. Let me just show you. Yeah. Then /wp, put an hyphen, then admin. So let me just log in. So please don't forget your password. The password you created for your WordPress, don't forget it. As you can see the other time, the username is admin, then I put a very strong password. Please don't forget your password. So let me just log in. So this is how our WordPress dashboard looks like. Can you see? This is how it looks like. This is our posts, our medias, our pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, then settings. Can you see? This is all the interface. This is how it looks like. Can you see? So we've just installed our WordPress on our cPanel.